When you open up your single button template, you will have three folders. You'll have an instructions folder, a guides folder to show you your cut lines and your bleed area, and an artwork folder with an example in it, just to give you a baseline of where to put your artwork. Here we have the ellipse button, and here we have a bleed background. I've added my waffle button example where I have my wrap text and I have my waffle image, and then I have this background color that fills the square as a bleed. If I turn on this guides folder, I can see where the button will cut out. I can make sure that my text is well within that button cut. I'm going to merge these layers, holding down my Option key to make a new layer. Copy that and paste it in the artwork folder in the multi-button template. You can drag your button to fit those squares and multiply it across the page. This template has guide circles. The innermost one is the one you need to pay attention to. That shows you what your viewable area is for the final button. Before you save this and send it to us, please turn on that shape mask layer. This will let us know where to cut, and then turn off the guide circles layer so that those guides don't show up in your final button. I'm going to file save as a copy, so I have a backup of my button, and now I'm going to flatten it, and that is the copy that I will send to the Imaging Center.